Welcome to Excellent Garage Door. We are your premier destination for top-notch garage door services. Whether you're a homeowner seeking residential solutions or a business owner in need of commercial expertise, we've got you covered. At Excellent Garage Door, we take pride in our specialization in garage door spring replacement, offering reliable and efficient services that ensure your garage door operates smoothly and safely. Our skilled technicians are also well versed in garage door spring installation, garage door repair, custom design, cable repair, roller installation, opener installation, remote replacement, cable installation, safety sensors installation, opener repair. With our extensive range of services and a focus on quality, we aim to be your one-stop shop for all your garage door needs. Contact us today at 847-504-6155 or drop us an email at excellentgaragedoor@gmail.com to experience excellence in garage door services. Trust Excellent Garage Door for exceptional service and outstanding results.